Let me be the one.
Isang naman yan, kahit dyan sa...
Let me be the one by Jerry Gotcha. This song is brought to you by Halo Halo.
Ano yawa? Akong tiyan. Ano yawa?
Ito na to. Hindi. Higa.
Dapa, dapa.
Galing natin yung...
Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know. Somebody told me you were happy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So walking at the door, nobody told me you've been crying.
Huwag niyo turuan si Linlin.
Nobody told me you've been
Huwag niyo turuan.
lying, but they didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you feel out of love from me, so I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's not become a love. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Kaon pagdagan eh.
Uy, nakuratan, manggod na.
Napuratan na nagkaon. Ikaw na magkanog, syabo-syabo. Di lagi magnayabo.
Hinahinay raw ang tato.
Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when our love is real again. Let me be the one to bring it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. I love you one last time, and goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. No, no, no. But if your love is still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work to it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you were always on my heart. Let me be the one to bring it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love So I'm telling you, I love